Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glen's Adventure. We are driving home from Fort Lauderdale and we wanted to make a pit stop, so we found this Tiki bar in Cleweston, right off of 27th. It's right at the marina. Nice seating area here. There's merchandise that you can buy. And they have live music right now. There's a lady over there singing. Wait to be seated. When you whistle here. Hi, two please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Here is the menu. Burgers, Bubba Burgers, fish finger basket,